I'm Tom Green from Averon. This is my colleague, Christian Kendall. Logins are broken. Passwords, they're impossible to remember. They're easy to steal. They're trivial to buy on the dark web for a few cents each. That's why you've implemented two-factor authentication. You've got SMS codes that you're using to keep your customers safe, right? Wrong. SMS codes are broken. If you can pull up the screen. Take Instagram. They just joined the throng of companies that have been hacked. How were they hacked? Their SMS codes were intercepted. Hundreds and thousands of user accounts were compromised. Scandalous videos were posted online. Reputations were destroyed. We are here to make sure that that does not happen to the banks and to the fintechs in this room. Getting data breaches for you guys is not just financial risk. It's not just reputation risk. It's also your customers can leave you. Customers who have been the victims of fraud are twice as likely to switch to another bank. And in cybersecurity, traditionally, when you add authentication layers to make it more secure, you add friction. So passwords don't work, so you add SMS codes. SMS codes are not secure, so then you make your users download an authenticator app, which is another app to download on their phone. Or you make them carry around a hardware key. Your customers blame you guys for the additional friction and the hassles these introduced, just as much as they would blame you if their account is compromised and their funds are stolen. So at Averon, we have a solution we call Magic Login. And that's what we'll show you now. So this is an example demo website that we're going to log into. And on the right side, you can see we have a normal, traditional username and password type login. Now, we're not going to use that today. I, for one, am passionate about getting to a world where we don't have to use passwords anymore at all. So on the left side, you can see there's an Averon QR code. Now, here's how it's going to work. We have integrated with the mobile carrier networks. So when Christian is going to use his phone, we can see through mobile carrier network signaling that it's him using the phone. And we do this using deep carrier integration. This is not using caller ID that can be spoofed. This is identifying a user through the mobile networks the same way the mobile carriers do it for billing purposes. And they've invested a lot of money in making sure that they can do that because they want to get paid by their users at the end of every month. So what's going to happen is Christian will take out his phone, he'll open up the camera app, and he'll point the camera at the QR code. Once he does that, that will trigger us contacting the mobile carrier network. They will tell us it's Christian, and that enables us to then tell the website to log him in. So let's take a look. On the left side of the screen, this is actually Christian's phone. On the right side is the website he's logging into. So he's going to open up his camera app. He's going to, there you are. And there's the QR code that he's going to hit. He hits it. We check with the mobile carrier network to figure out that it's him. Authentication is successful. And he's going to be logged in. Maybe he needs to refresh the page. I'm not sure. So the way this works is we have, OK, it looks like we need to do it again. We had a Wi-Fi issue, I think. So this works, by the way, on the native camera apps on any phone, so just the standard camera app on the phone. And it also can work through the mobile app on through your own mobile app as well. And so now you can see he's logged in. He's been securely logged in without a password. So this is an incredibly seamless and secure way to log in. And we can also layer on other types of security on top, such as biometric on the phone or a PIN on the website. All of this happens without passwords, which are not secure. And it happens without SMSs. SMS, by the way, was never designed for security. It was designed for teenagers. We can do this on the web, and we can also do it on mobile. So in summary, logins are broken. And Averon has the solution. But we need your help. Please come see us in the booth. It's at the back of the conference hall downstairs. And let's lead the way together toward a world where your customers can log in safely and easily with Averon. Thank you.